community in the United States of America. And when people here or there are talking about perception of Pakistan, I honestly don't understand why. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart. Because when I'm talking to the Pakistani Americans in my district, when I'm talking to Pakistani people in this country, I see people always with a great smile, and what do they do when you're meeting them first? They're putting their hand on their heart. If everybody in this world, especially people in the government, especially people who taking care of the peace or war in this world, would do that first when they see each other, I guarantee you, the world will be much better place to live. Much better place. So perception might be still there. And we're all realists. We elected officials who are representing a lot of people. You journalists, you're writing about the society. You know that, yes, sometimes tension is there. We have to be realists. Tension is there because people looking at each other and see us and them. It's happening. But in order for us to break those barriers, we have to respect each other. We have to understand that every person is the good person, smiling person first. And then we can learn about the differences and find how we can live with the differences and find how we can get together with the differences. And in this particular case, we're trying to find out how can we bring Pakistani nurses to the American society.